The graph of any quadratic equation of the form by x is equals to ax squared plus bx plus c is a parabola that opens either upward if the certain of x squared is positive, or downward if the coordinate is negative. The point x is equals to negative b over 2a and y is equals to 4a and ac minus b squared all over 4. If a is greater than 0, the parabola is the lowest point or the minimum point. And if a is less than 0, the parabola is the highest point or the maximum